What if you could simply imagine something, and within minutes, see that idea come to life? What would you do? Keep imagining more, or maybe take a break and let your creativity flow? Well, today I'm introducing you to something that makes this possible. Wondershare Filmora 14. You probably know Filmora as a powerful editing tool, but wait, there's more. Did you know that Filmora 14 now comes with a game-changing feature called AI Idea to Video? It's an innovative tool that allows creators to turn written ideas into polished videos with just a few clicks. Yes, it's that simple. If you can think it, you can create it. Now imagine if there were no limits to your ideas. What would you bring to life? Because this is where you unleash your creativity and transform it into video, effortlessly. With Filmora's new AI Idea to Video feature, you can instantly turn a simple script into a ready-to-share video. Just type in your text, and the AI will automatically generate scenes, add voiceover, visuals, subtitles, and styling, saving you hours of manual editing. The result? A professional, polished video all made from your own words. And in this video, I'll show you exactly how to do ithao to turn text into an amazing AI-generated video in just 1 minute, all inside Filmora. So let's dive in as I show you how to generate astounding videos with this unique AI tool. But before we continue, let me show you what I was able to create using the AI Idea to Video feature in just a few clicks.
Liam spends his mornings casting nets beneath the lavender sky. Day by day, Liam and Elena's paths intertwine, finding solace in each other's company. One evening under a silver moon, Elena confesses her feelings to Liam. With their hearts...
Pretty amazing, right? And guess what, you can do it too. Just follow along with me, and I'll show you exactly how to replicate this process and create your own unique video in just a few clicks. Alright guys, so here we are in Filmora 14. If you want to download the app, all you need to do is click the download button, and you'll have the app downloaded, then you can install it on your computer. Now, if you scroll through, you'll see a lot of features that Filmora 14 offers. There are countless high-quality assets to use, and you can easily browse through them. This is really what makes Filmora 14 unique, so many powerful functions that allow you to do a lot of creative work. Now, let's head back to the desktop app. And to get started, we're going to click on this particular icon here, labeled AI Idea to Video, which is their brand new feature. So, I'm going to click it now. As soon as I click it, you're going to see this pop-up window, and this is where you can input your story. Let's read what it says. Describe the character's stories and video settings to generate a video. I already have a short story that I generated earlier using ChatGPT. So this is the story. I'll copy it, head back to Filmora, and paste it here. Now, with just this short story, we're going to be generating an outstanding video. On this page, you also have options to choose your video duration. You have auto, 10 to 20 seconds, and 20 to 30 seconds. It depends on what you want to use. For this demo, I'll leave it at 10 to 20 seconds. To the right, you'll find different video languages to choose from: English, German, Spanish, French, and many more. For the purpose of this video, I'll select English as our main language. Next, you have the video style options: realistic, anime, comic, cyberpunk. For this video, I'm going with anime. Then, the next step is to click Generate AI Script. Alright guys, as you can see, it's generated 4 scenes for us. You can see the characters and the settings displayed here. Let's click through each scene. This is the first scene, second scene, third scene, and fourth scene. Over here, you can generate characters. You can either click Generate by AI or upload an image. For this example, let's say I want to upload an image. I'll click this option. Head over to my image folder and select this image of AI guy. Now moving on, you can choose any voiceover you like. Let's take a look at the voice options.
Wondershare Creativity Simplified.
Wondershare Creativity Simplified.
Wondershare Creativity Simplified.
Wondershare Creativity Simplified.
After testing, the one I really like is this thick voice called Marcus, so I'm selecting that. Next, you have the option to select the aspect ratio. I'll choose 16:9 for YouTube. Then, if you want to adjust any settings, you can do that here. It's mostly the same options. Finally, I'll click the Generate button. And in just a short while, wondershare Filmora 14 will generate this amazing AI video for me. So guys, now we have our generated video right here using the uploaded image. One great thing is that it already includes captions, and you can edit the video directly here. This is really unique and very powerful. You can edit anything you want, or go back to the script and make changes if needed. You can also add background sound, it's completely up to you. Right now, I'm going to click the export button to export the video. Now let's repeat the same process again, this time using a fully AI-generated script. We'll click Generate by AI. Over here, you have the option to generate images for all scenes. So I'll click Generate and wait for AI to create the images. As you can see, the AI has generated the backgrounds for the story, and they look very good. Now that we've seen the backgrounds, all we need to do is click Confirm. This will automatically place the backgrounds behind the text in the scenes. The next step is to generate the character using AI. This time, instead of uploading an image, we're going to use the Generate by AI option. Note that it will cost you 5 credits. You'll get 2 image options to choose from. I'll select one and click Confirm. Finally, we would click the Voice Generate button, go through the voice, language, aspect ratio, and finally click the Generate button. So guys, that is the process guys. It is as easy as ABC, but I hope you understand the process. It's very easy and seamless. With just a few clicks, you can create exactly what you want. Alright, so over here we're going to be using a completely different model, the start and end frame to video. You also have the option to use multi-reference to video. To begin, let's click on Start and End Frame to Video. Now, I'm going to upload the images. First, I'll upload the start frame and then the end frame. You can customize these as you like, it really depends on the result you want. You can also choose to adjust the settings for each scene. Next, I'll select the 16:9 aspect ratio for this project, and for the voiceover, I'm leaving it set to Alex. The settings look good, and as you can see, it will cost me 300 credits to generate this video. Once everything is ready, just click the Generate button. Now, the AI will generate the video based on the first frame and second frame images you provided. The results are entirely influenced by what you upload for these frames. For example, in the first scene, I added a start and end frame. In the second scene, I did the same, and again for the third scene. This way, you can clearly differentiate the frames and scenes. If you look at this first generated video, you'll see that the animation was based on the first and second frame images I uploaded. The same applies to the second scene. The AI animated it and gave me a result based on those frames. And that's how you can easily generate animated images or videos using Filmora 14's Start and End Frame feature. Now, let's take a look at the multi-reference to video option. When you click on it, you'll come to this screen where you can upload your images. I'll go ahead and upload the first image, then the second image, and finally the third image. Just like with the Start and End Frame to Video option, the AI will take these 3 images and generate a video based on them. It's really that simple. You need to do is upload your images and let the AI do the rest. I encourage you to try it out for yourself. So far, we've explored several ways to generate videos using the AI idea to video feature. In this tutorial, we've covered image to video, start and end frame to video, and now the multi-reference to video option. Filmora 14's AI idea to video has truly made video creation easier than ever. With just a click, you can generate a unique video for your story. Ready to give it a try? Click the link below to register for Filmora 14 and start using the AI idea to video feature today.